Discovery and arrival of 3I Atlas across the silent reaches of space. A network of NASA observatories has turned its gaze toward a mysterious visitor drifting through our solar system. Music begins, low, echoing tones. Something extraordinary has arrived, an object so unusual that even seasoned astronomers are astonished. They are watching a traveler from another star. Its name is 3I Atlas, a title that carries both science and story. Atlas, from the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, and 3I, marking it as the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected. It was not born under our sun's light, but in the distant cradle of another star system, its origin lost somewhere in the vast interstellar dark. 3I Atlas travels along a hyperbolic path, not an orbit, but an escape route. A perfect curve that will carry it through the solar system only once before it disappears forever. No planet will capture it. No force will bring it back. It is a messenger passing through. Yet in this brief visit, it has already challenged everything we thought we knew about comets. As it neared the warmth of the sun, its behavior broke all expectations. Where others brightened gently, this one flared unpredictably, as if something deep inside were waking after ages of silence. 3I Atlas reveals itself only through a few faint, blurry images, but even those hold clues that defy reason. Its chemical signature shows nickel far richer than iron, a pattern unlike any comet known to science. Discovered on July 1 by the Atlas survey, its path was confirmed to be hyperbolic, proving it came from beyond the solar boundary. This is no captured body, this is a visitor from the galaxy itself. As it approaches its closest point to the Sun, its perihelion, astronomers prepare to watch its true nature unfold. That is when heat, light, and gravity will test what it's made of. Already, 3I Atlas is behaving like no comet we've ever studied. Most comets awaken slowly, releasing water vapor as sunlight warms them. But this one came alive much earlier, at distances too cold for ordinary ice to melt. Infrared eyes aboard the James Webb Space Telescope saw something extraordinary. Its glowing coma was not filled with water vapor, but with carbon dioxide, a rare signature that speaks of a birthplace rich in frozen carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide to hydrogen oxide ratio is one of the highest ever recorded. It may mean the comet's surface traps water under a crust, allowing only lighter gases to escape, or that its composition is alien to our solar system altogether. As it draws nearer to the Sun, its activity intensifies. Jets of gas and dust erupt from its sun-facing side, shooting material toward the light instead of away from it. This strange, asymmetric behavior hints at fractured layers beneath the surface, vents and cracks where sunlight ignites buried ice. Even stranger, astronomers have seen an anti-tail, a bright streak pointing toward the Sun, possibly formed by heavy ice grains reflecting sunlight in reverse. Then, something even more dramatic occurred. The comet switched on. Gas output spiked, cyanide levels surged, and atomic nickel vapor burst into space, not slowly, but all at once. These sudden outbursts don't follow the normal curve of heating. They seem triggered from within, as if hidden layers react at precise thresholds, a comet with a pulse, a heartbeat driven by its alien chemistry. On October 29, 2025, 3I Atlas will reach 1.36 astronomical units from the Sun, between the orbits of Earth and Mars. That will be its moment of truth. Velocity will peak, radiation will strike its surface, and the nucleus will face its greatest trial. Whatever happens then, survival or disintegration, will reveal how comets from other stars are built, and how they differ from the ones born under our own Sun. The impossible near the Sun as 3I Atlas nears the blazing Sun, its calm motion turns violent. This is no ordinary comet, it's a laboratory of extremes. Where normal comets shed gas in steady flows, this one erupts in sudden pulses. Each flare of light marks a pocket of frozen gas breaking open, a reaction hidden for billions of years. Its carbon dioxide-rich nature hints at an alien origin, perhaps formed in the outer disk of another star, where carbon dioxide ice ruled and water was scarce. Even far from the Sun, it was already alive. At 3.5 astronomical units, still colder than Mars, it released over 40 kilograms of water every second, producing bright ultraviolet signs of vapor breaking apart. Such early activity is unheard of. It means the surface is fractured and porous, breathing gases through cracks long before true heat arrives. Infrared data from James Webb confirmed the strangeness. The carbon dioxide to hydrogen oxide ratio was 8:1, the highest ever seen in a comet. Either carbon dioxide dominates its makeup or water remains trapped under thick, dusty layers. The plume bursting sunward adds another puzzle. Each jet acts like a tiny thruster, twisting the comet's spin as it vents unevenly. Polarization studies deepened the mystery. 3I, Atlas reflects light differently from any known comet, its dust scattering sunlight in strange, structured ways, suggesting porous or glass-like grains. Spectra show its color trending red, then flattening in the infrared, evidence of complex mixtures of rock and ice. Models suggest it may contain 70% taggish lake-like material and 30% large water ice grains, a cosmic blend from another star's nursery. Those large icy grains drift slowly, sublimating over time and feeding the coma long after the nucleus stops venting directly. Beneath that glowing halo, the core stays hidden. Estimates place it near 5 kilometers wide, but it could be smaller, concealed by its own brilliance. Its orbit is steeply hyperbolic, its speed far beyond any gravitational hold. It moves retrograde, slicing through the solar plane, as if it chose the same path our planets follow. As it dives closer, intense heat cracks its surface. The sunlit side bakes while the dark side freezes. Pressure builds. At any moment, it could fracture, revealing its untouched interior. Because it's rich in carbon dioxide and poor in water, its internal reactions may differ completely from solar comets. Each eruption opens and closes like a valve, a cycle of release and silence. Under the hammer of sunlight and solar wind, its tail shifts and twists in real time, a dance of light and magnetism across the void. When atomic nickel and cyanide flare again, they may expose minerals never before seen, telling stories of a world that no longer exists. 3I, Atlas is more than a comet. It is a messenger from another star, a frozen fragment of alien chemistry. Its strange awakening forces us to rethink comet physics and the diversity of worlds beyond our Sun. Perhaps elsewhere, comets are far more volatile, far more alive than we ever imagined. As it swings past the Sun, telescopes across Earth and space watch closely. Each flicker, each burst of light, is data from a relic older than our system. This is more than astronomy, it's revelation. Proof that the universe still holds wonders vast enough to humble us. 3I, Atlas, the comet that defied the expected, reminds us that even familiar skies can hold strangers beyond imagination. Music fades to silence, and as it drifts back toward interstellar space, we are left changed, knowing that discovery is never truly finished.